This is the pattern of the bag, starting from the bottom. Then we work up to the top. The pattern there is 39 chain, but I add extra chain because I want it a bit bigger. Start on the second chain, one extra, second chain, single crochet, the whole thing single crochet. We're coming to the end. There, 2 single crochet there. Then we turn the other side also 2. Then we go 1. Then start going. We are coming to the end. The last one you have to do is 4 single crochet on the same chain and then do a slip chain. Do 1 chain and single crochet, the second round is in the pattern that there's make it 2 double increase, but I make 3 increase there. This is second one increase and the third one increase. I want it bigger. You do the same to the other end too and do a slip chain. So this is the other end. I put a marker there. It's a black thread, so it's got very hard to see where's the end. And here you put 2 increase, increase, another increase, do the slip chain. And this one, okay, this one I'm going to make it a bit broader. It looks so small, so I'm going to make it broader, so I put it extra. On the pattern book there's only 2 rounds. I'm going to make it 3 rounds. So this is a starting one, this is 3rd round. Here at this corner there I add in extra, increase. This one I increase. And here one, and increase there. The next one just goes straight. Coming to the end, here also there's 2 places I'm going to increase, so I'm looking to it where to put. Here I put 2. I put 2 there. And 1, and here 2. There 2. Slip chain. I am changing color. Make a knot first. And remove 1. And do the slip chain again, but with the gray color thread. Hook it there. Slip chain. You need to cut off the black thread. Take one of the thread, the VLO, just one, do the chain on. This is the pattern. It looked like that. So I'm going to show a bit how to change colors. See that? It's a single crochet it. Make a knot. I changed the color so it'll be clear, very you can see. So just to show you. and do a chain. Yeah, and you take the red color thread, don't cut it off, and just go along with it. Yes, go underneath with the red color thread. Take one only, BLO. Now I'm going to take the yarn and see that, and this one I'm going to take the yarn and I'm going to change color. See? Now go along, but don't cut off your white thread, just put it underneath there. See? I crochet it together. This is the pattern gonna be. If you want this pattern, it will be in Facebook Noni's Craft. I will put it on the end of it or description box. Inside it's not very nice, but you put it, sew a cloth inside, so it will be okay, will fine. This is the ending part, so I do 3 rows of half double crochet, see that, and at the back I take the whole thing again. That's the finishing part there down. This is the part, top part there, so it will look a bit tighter. Do it at the back, take the thread, take the single crochet, and then front, at the back, then front. Now the second row of that half double crochet there, finish. Now slip chain on this. I do 3 rows on this way. Front, then back. Front, back. That's the finishing part. I got this inspiration from the YouTube AF crochet fashion from her. I like the idea. If you want to follow this pattern, mine is slightly different from hers, but you can follow hers. I made it.